Why just have one when you can have two? Welcome to 1902 Wyoming Avenue Southwest in Wyoming, Michigan. This duplex is a prime investment opportunity centrally located for easy access to the greater Grand Rapids area. Each unit offers 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, providing practical and comfortable living spaces for tenants. This property has been upgraded with new utilities, a new roof, new siding, and a new stairway to the second unit, ensuring minimal maintenance concerns for years to come. The lower unit features a fenced yard and a screened porch, adding valuable outdoor space for tenants to enjoy. Parking is plentiful with enough space for at least 4 vehicles. The upper unit will be vacant at the end of July, ready for new tenants or potential owner occupancy. The lower unit will transition to a month-to-month lease starting in September, offering flexibility for future rental plans. This duplex is well positioned for reliable rental income and easy access to the greater Grand Rapids area. Don't miss out on this excellent investment opportunity. Schedule a viewing today to explore the potential of 1902 Wyoming Avenue Southwest.